I wonder where all my money keeps going. Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode here on our channel. As you may have noticed, I have a rather large new surprise or new toy for, well, for me, to be honest. It's I bought it for myself because I really both needed and wanted a proper gaming monitor, and I've been looking for a while. There's a lot of good ones out there. This one fits both my sort of specification range and also my budget, which is very nice. It's not by far cheap. It's the most expensive monitor I have purchased today, and I think it's more expensive than the two previous combined. It is about 5,000 Norwegian kroner, which is roughly $500, give or take, you know, the depreciation of the Norwegian money. So yeah. But it's about £500 as well for you Brits, or €500 for you guys that still use that. I thought we'll crack it open and do a little assembly, see how it goes. I'll put it on the stand that it comes with first, just to, you know, give you the experience of that. I have a monitor arm, so I'm going to mount it on that afterwards, and we're going to see how it works on that. And then we're going to go through a couple of tests and see how it performs, both in comparison to the ones I have and in general, if it works. Alright, there you have it. Mounted on the stand it comes with. There's a bit of flex. There's no height adjustment on this stand except from lowering, let me turn it so you can see, lowering this arm, which gives you a bit of, well, a lot of height adjustment, but there's no height adjustment on this, so the entire assembly feels a little bit wobbly. It's a shame really, because the monitor in itself is very, well, it's not very, but it's rather heavy. And it feels, the stand feels cheap, to be honest. It's plastic, everything's plastic, you know. Not a solution I would go for, to be honest. Not that I'm a design expert or anything, but this takes away the sort of premium feeling. There's no premium feeling at all in this. And note, it's not toolless, so you do need a screwdriver to mount this. Now let's go ahead and remove it from the stand and see about putting it on my monitor arm. See how that works. One thing that I really do like about this new monitor arm of mine is that it makes cabling look so much better. Have a look at this, huh? Of course, my desk does have like the under tray thing where all the cables go, which also helps, of course. But that monitor arm really does the job of hiding away all the cables, because you can tie it down and just hug it behind, run it down and below, and from front you won't see anything.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Alright, it is mounted up. I'm not entirely sold on the placement of the top monitor. Might bring that a little bit down, but you know, that's just fiddling. Note is that this monitor is extremely heavy. Well, at least compared to the other ones I have. I had to tighten the bracket for tilt on the arm because that monitor weighs a third of what this does, so this one just kept tilting forward. You might have noticed in the previous footage, but I've played Doom on it, running on Vulkan, on Extreme, and it looks so good. The whole curve thing just gives you a super immersion, and it just, oh, awesome. The positive side of the monitor is that it is a very good monitor for the coin you pay. It's not bad at all, trust. Don't worry about it. It's a very, very high-end monitor with a crappy stand. So the only negative thing that I have to say about this monitor is the stand, which was, I don't know how Samsung messed that up. Maybe it was a different department that decided how the stand should look. Maybe they ran out of money for the R&D for the stand and just, we'll do a plastic one. I don't know. It doesn't matter for me because I don't use it, but for you guys that are intending to use it, be aware it is very, very wobbly. So if, you know, screen wobble and desk wobble is a thing for you, or something that could happen, take that into consideration. Maybe consider getting a similar arm that I have, or just if you're going for the single monitor setup, you get these stands for one monitor as well, and they're very much more rigid than the crappy in the box leg, which was just bad. The menu, I kind of like. It's like the nipple on the back pops up. Looks nice, nothing to say about it. Came out of the box in-game mode, which is very nice. Everything just works. It's very, very, very good monitor, and the picture is so damn clear. Alright, that's it for this video. You guys tell me in the comments what you think about it. Do you have this monitor? What do you think? Have you found any errors with yours, or anything you don't like? Please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next.